Welcome to your 5-minute journey to stretch, unwind, and energize your entire body. Whether you're waking up stiff, need a mental reset, or simply want to start the day right, this routine has got you covered. This flow is perfect for anyone who feels tight from sitting, wants to move more freely, or just craves a moment of peace to connect with their body before the day begins. All you need is your mat, a quiet space, and your breath. That's it. No fancy equipment, just you showing up for yourself. We'll move through 5 powerful stretches, from grounding in child's pose to energizing wide stance toe touches. By the end of this routine, you feel refreshed, flexible, and ready to take on the world. Most people hit snooze, but not you. You're here, and that's what matters. Let's hit the mat. Start by kneeling on your mat, bringing your big toes to touch and your knees wide apart. Sit your hips back onto your heels and stretch your arms forward, lowering your chest to the mat. Rest your forehead on the mat and take deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. With each exhale, feel your hips sink deeper and your back lengthening. Relax your shoulders and allow your entire body to soften. This grounding stretch opens the hips, elongates the spine, and creates a calming moment to center yourself. By the end, you'll feel deeply relaxed yet ready to move. Beginners, place a cushion under your hips for support. Advanced, stretch your fingers further forward to deepen the stretch. Now that we're grounded, let's flow into a stretch that will awaken and lengthen the front of your body. Lie flat on your stomach, hands under your shoulders and legs extended back. It's time to open up your chest and energize your spine. Press into your palms and lift your chest off the mat, keeping your elbows slightly bent. Relax your shoulders down and gaze softly upward. Breathe deeply, feeling the stretch through your chest and abdomen. Cobra Stretch counts as a forward hunch we often develop from sitting, opening the chest and energizing your core. By the end, you'll feel refreshed and recharged. Beginners, keep your elbows closer to the mat for a gentler stretch. Advanced, straighten your arms more for a deeper back bend. Feeling that openness in your chest? Let's now target the hips with a deep stretch. From Cobra, bring your right knee forward toward your right wrist and extend your left leg back into Pigeon Pose. This pose is a game changer for releasing tight hips. Square your hips to the mat and keep your spine long. Rest your hands in front of you or lower your chest for a deeper stretch. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch to the left side. Pigeon Pose deeply stretches the hips and glutes, areas that often hold tension from sitting. By the end, your hips will feel looser and more mobile, I promise you. Beginners, place a cushion under your hip for support. Advanced, fold forward completely, resting your forehead on the mat. Great work. Let's transition into a full body stretch that energizes your entire system. From Pigeon Pose, press back into Downward Dog. Plant your hands firmly and lift your hips high toward the sky. Spread your fingers wide and press evenly into your palms. Let your head hang heavy and push your heels toward the floor. If your legs feel tight, pedal your feet to stretch one side at a time. This all-in-one stretch targets your hamstrings, calves, shoulders, and back, leaving your whole body feeling energized and awake. Beginners, keep your knees bent to maintain a straight spine. Advanced, hold and focus on deepening the stretch. Feeling that energy flowing through your body? Let's finish with a dynamic stretch to wake up your legs and back. Stand up and take a wide stance with your feet turned slightly out. This stretch will bring flexibility to your hamstrings and spine. Inhale as you reach upward, and exhale as you fold forward to touch your right toe with your left hand. Come back to center and repeat on the opposite side, moving dynamically. Keep your spine long and your core engaged. This stretch not only loosens your hamstrings and spine, but also adds a touch of dynamic movement to get your blood flowing. Beginners, bend your knees slightly if your hamstrings are tight. Advanced, add a twist by looking towards your raised hand. If you sit at a desk all day and want to boost your energy, get rid of stiffness, and take control of your health without leaving your desk, check out the free gift I've got for you in the description. Trust me, you'll love it. Fantastic work, fam. You've just energized your entire body in only 5 minutes. How are you feeling now? Flexible, refreshed, and ready to tackle your day, right? Great work showing off yourself today. Always remember, just by being here, you've already won the day. Most people wouldn't show up, but you did, and that's worth celebrating. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.